The Great Car Adventure. On the big, busy streets of the city, cars, trucks, and buses zoom all around. Each one is on a special journey, a great adventure. To make sure everyone has a fun and safe trip, there are special rules we all follow. Before our red car, Rosie, starts her engine, she makes sure her driver clicks his seatbelt. Click goes the buckle. It's like a hug that keeps you safe and sound in your seat, ready for the road ahead. Rosie sees a big, red, 8-sided sign. Stop, it says. So Rosie stops and looks both ways. It's important to take turns and make sure the way is clear before you go. Next, Rosie comes to a traffic light. The light is red, so she waits patiently. Then it turns green. Green means go, she chirps, and happily drives forward. A yellow light means slow down. Something exciting is about to happen. As Rosie drives on, she sees a bright yellow sign with pictures of children walking. A school crossing, she says. This means she needs to be extra careful because children might be crossing the street to get to school. Rosie sees white stripes painted on the road ahead. This is a crosswalk, a special path for people to walk across the street. Rosie always stops for people at the crosswalk because walkers get to go first. Suddenly, Rosie hears a loud woo-woo-woo sound. She looks in her mirror and sees flashing lights. It's an ambulance. Rosie quickly and safely pulls over to the side of the road to let the ambulance pass. Further down the road, Rosie sees a big yellow school bus with its red lights flashing. All the cars around the bus stop. This is a very important rule to keep the children safe as they get off the bus. Rosie knows that when the school bus has its lights on, she must wait. Children might be crossing the street to get to their homes. She waits until the lights stop flashing and the bus starts to move again. Rosie always makes sure to follow the speed limit. It's not a race. Driving at a safe speed means everyone can enjoy their journey and get to where they're going without any problems. It's all part of being a good and thoughtful driver on the Great Car Adventure.